Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. This is where we do yummy recipes. Today we are doing a very easy recipe. Okay, it's called Greek feta bread and it's really delicious, so you have to come along with me and let's make this bread. So what I have here in my mix-up bowl, okay, I have lukewarm water. I'll put all the measurements down below. This is how to check whether your yeast is really working. So first of all, I have some sugar here. You put up some sugar in the lukewarm water, and then you put my yeast, and then you put some flour in. So what normally happens is you will see these bubbles come on top of it, and that will tell you that your yeast is working properly. Okay guys, so if you can wait a while, you can check where the bubbles come on top and you can check whether your yeast is working. Or if you are in a hurry like me, because I know my yeast is working, I will just add all the other ingredients. Okay, so I have here olive oil, so it's a very simple recipe, and I'm going to add, I have some salt. I'm adding the salt to the flour, and I'll add the flour to my mixture. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my mixer today. It's very easy to use it. Right guys, so I have my mixture in here, so I'm going to put it at a low speed. For 10 minutes. Right guys, so it's been 10 minutes. So really I'm going to it's quite sticky, that's how I want it. Right guys, so this is my oiled bowl. I'm going to put my bread, my dough into the bowl. So guys, this is our dough. So what I'm going to do, just turn it like that and put a little bit of oil on top. So I'm going to cover it and put it in a warm place for 1.5 hours, and then when it's risen, then you continue from there. So guys, to add to my bread, I'm adding some caramelized onions and some sun-dried tomatoes. So I'm going to start caramelizing my onions, and I'll show you how to do that. It's very, very easy. Okay, so I'm cutting my onions. So guys, I want to cut my sun-dried tomatoes. Just cut them into small pieces. So guys, to caramelize our onions is very easy to do. I have the pan on medium heat. Okay, I add my olive oil. Right guys, so you put our onions in. under medium heat, so let it just cook. Guys, it's still cooking. They are not there yet, but it smells really good. So guys, these are nicely browned onions. So I tell you, it's so simple, but it smells so good. So what I want to do, I want to add just a little bit of water just to bring out the flavor. It just brings out the sweetness. Smells so good, so good. So as you can see, it's very easy to do, and you can use this onions for your burgers. It tastes so good. It takes it to a different level if you add your caramelized onions in your burgers. You can use it for tarts, you can use it for different things, and it tastes so lovely, and the aroma is just unbelievable. So that's really our caramelized onions done. Smells so good. Right guys, as you can see, our dough has risen nicely. Okay, so what we need to do now, just using my wet top, I need to put some oil there. So that it won't stick into there. So I'm going to remove that and put it on the wet top. So easy because we oiled the bowl. So yeah, just look at that. Okay, so all I have to do, just press it like this. It's nice and soft, just like the texture I want. Spread it along. So we are going to add our cheese. So guys, we have our feta cheese. So what you do is very crumbly, so just crumble it. Just crumble it there. We need a lot of lovely feta. We just put in more cheese. See, it's so easy. The next thing I need to add is I have my caramelized onions. Okay, so I need to put that on top. Just mix it with these. It smells so good. You have to use this recipe. The onions make it smell so nice. Right, and I have some sun-dried tomatoes. I cut them into pieces, so I'm just adding that as well. Oh, this is going to be a lovely bread and you know that it's so easy to make. Guys, just look at that. It smells so good. Now we need to just cover it. Okay, so guys, so the next bit we need to do is to pick up the outside bit and just fold it in. Okay. Just pick up that and fold it in. So really, you take that and then you place it on my tray. Okay, try and oh, this is so good. So what we are going to do, I'm going to cover it for about 30 minutes for it to rise, and then we'll put that in the oven afterwards. So guys, it's been 25-30 minutes and you can see that our bread has risen more. Okay, so the next bit that I need to do is to just get it ready for the oven. So what I have here, I'll just try to poke in a little bit more because I want to put some butter on. So I have here, this is some butter and some milk. Okay, I'm going to just brush it on my bread. Give it that nice buttery taste. I can't wait for this to cook because it smells good already. Okay, so I'm going to add, this is optional. Okay, I'm going to add a bit of sesame seeds. So just spread it nicely. Lovely. So I've already preheated the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to put this in for about 25 to 30 minutes. So guys, our bread is ready. It smells so good. I really don't know if I could put the aroma to you. It's really smelling so nice in my kitchen. So I'll just wait for it to cool down and then you have a taste test. So guys, this is our Greek feta bread. It is so good. It smells so good. Actually, I love this bread and I really wish that you could smell the aroma here. It's so lovely. Okay, so it's nicely cooled, and this bread, you just have to tear it. Okay, so you just have to see what is inside here. This is so good. Just look at that. Just look at that. Just look at the cheese. Oh, I tell you, it's so delicious. You have to try this recipe. Okay, and it's, you know that it's so easy to do. you know, the creamy feta cheese, which is quite salty, with the sweet caramelized onions and the sun-dried tomato. Oh my goodness, you have to try this recipe. It goes really, really, really well. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications, okay, so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.